This video demonstrates the efficient application of a pulse laser cleaning machine for paint removal on a car hood. Using high-precision laser technology, it removes old paint quickly, safely, and in an environmentally friendly way without the need for chemicals or mechanical grinding. It provides a perfect surface for bodywork or repainting. Non-destructive paint removal. The laser energy is precisely controlled to remove only the paint layer without damaging the metal base, avoiding scratches or deformation caused by traditional grinding. High-efficiency cleaning. Paint can be removed in a single pass. The cleaning speed is over 3 times faster than manual grinding, greatly reducing repair time. Precise and controllable. Supports localized repairs, such as scratches or edges, with a minimum spot size of 0.1 millimeter. The pulse laser cleaning machine is ideal for high-end car refurbishment and precision repair.